And here's day 22. I think I am just gonna build the walls and get ready for the main trusses. I'm gonna have to build a scaffold for the lower roof anyway, so I might as well just do it all later. It's pretty cold today. I'm sure the gun's not gonna be working too good. That crew finally showed up to start that house the other day. They got the floor on, but I guess they're not working today. But I'll get this wall stood, it's all ready to go, and then I'll build that front wall and stand it. See, because I made sure that that wall was perfectly square, and I made sure that that wall was perfectly square, now when they come together, it's like a perfect tight fit. If this one was a little bit out this way, it would be a gap. If this one was a little bit out that way, there'd be a gap. Or if I was a little out the other way, this would be super tight and I wouldn't be able to get it in here. But it's totally perfect. Now I'll put a stud in here, nail it through the top, both sides, and then I can run my cap plate straight over top, and that will tie this all in this one wall. So now that stud's nailed in there, I can put this top plate on. And that's why I didn't hang this one over, because I'd rather have the exterior wall stronger. Just nailing this in like that is good enough for this wall. Nail that up, and that's good. And now where these two walls come together, I'll just put a 2x6 across there to tie that in. So to make sure this goes really tight, see, I got a big knot right here, so I drove a nail in right into that knot, so it should be hard to pull out. So if I hook my hammer on there, I can pull it right tight and then nail it. See that? That shot just killed it. So I'll build this front wall now, and then the little 2-foot wall. If you want to see how I laid this wall out, go look at my how to frame a window video. Basically the same thing. So I'll stand this one now. I'm gonna have to stand it and then push that side out, and hopefully I got enough room to slide it by this wall. That's why I left the cap plate off, because it would have been sticking over and it would have gotten away. Well, this is almost in. I had to change GoPro batteries halfway through this lift, but I'll set it back up and push it the rest of the way in. Now I'll build this little 2-foot wall, and that's the last exterior. Now I'll put that last cap plate on, and that'll tie everything in. And there's all those front walls done. Now I'll start doing these interiors. I'll have to clean up this stuff, get this snow off of here, and I still got to snap a few lines in here. But there's going to be the 2 bathrooms in here. This will be the bathroom for the master bedroom. This will be another bathroom for the main bathroom up here. And then there's a bedroom here with a closet, a bedroom up there with a closet here, and then probably another hallway closet here. So I'll get those snapped out. Okay, so I got all these lines marked out. So here's the master bedroom. This will be the bathroom. And there's a linen closet right here. There's gonna be a little tiny laundry room right here, I guess just with a washer dryer stacked on it. And the bathroom's right here. This is another bedroom. Another wall goes here. There's gonna be a closet here. And then this will be the other bedroom with another closet here. And I'll start cutting stuff for these walls, and then it's time for a beer.